These are both hyaluronic acid, but hey guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Namaste. Yes, I hope everyone is doing good. My name is Guinea Wonders, your one and only Wonder Woman. Come on. Yes guys, I hope you are doing good. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah. I'm so sorry about that sound. Okay, can you flash back to that time I talk about hyaluronic acid? I unboxed and I made some comments. I reviewed hyaluronic acid. Wait, let me show you in case you forgot that I gave my honest review on it. This product that I opened it and I placed on my face, it was a mask. Yes, and lastly I said that it didn't work for me. Yes, that it is good for people with dry skin. All right, that is for that. Congratulations to Guinea Wonders. I never knew that someone was watching me. Someone was watching me from America, all the way from abroad, America. And this person was like, oh, is this how this one looks? Then the person did what? Magically sent me something better. And it is same hyaluronic acid. My brothers and sisters, we are going to unbox this. If this is what you know over there, yes, I am having it now. Can you compare between this and this? These are both hyaluronic acid, but we are going to unbox this, and after I will tell you how this works. Okay, so today we are going to unbox this original hyaluronic acid. Thank you so much for the gifter. Thank you, Eshegon. It shows that people doesn't want this cute face to damage. I love you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. I'm not taking it for granted, but I'm praying to God on the water of the Holy Spirit. Let it work wonders. Yes. Okay guys, let us unbox this. We are going to tear it and see what is inside. Hyaluronic acid. Where is my blade? There. Blade to jack out. Blade. Where are you? Where are you? Can't stand up. Oh my god, I was looking for the blade. I didn't see the blade. So guys, see you on my next video. Next time. When I will unbox it next time, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for the gifter. Thank you. Do me a favor, guys, by sharing these videos to your friends. Tell your friends to tell their friends about Guinea Wonders. I love you. Don't forget to turn on my notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. See you again.
Sensational Guinea car.
May I have your attention, please?
Smoke it, she got it. I'm the limit.